Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I show you how I made beautiful faux mirror wall art using inexpensive items, some of which came from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with these Dollar Tree tumbling tower games. I used Gorilla wood glue to adhere 24 of the tower game wood pieces together. I allowed this 12 by 12 inch square to dry for about 30 minutes, and then I added more of the wood pieces to my design. As you can see, I've cut some of the wood pieces at a 45-degree angle with this small miter box that I picked up from Joann's. Once my wood pieces were glued in place, I then made a second design as well. I allowed my wood glue to dry for about 2 hours, then I gave both pieces 2 coats of silver metallic spray paint. The following day, I covered the face of both pieces with this faux leather that I picked up on sale from Hobby Lobby. As you can see, this faux leather has a very reflective finish, so I'll be using this instead of real mirror. I cut my faux leather into strips, and then I used generous amounts of clear tacky glue to adhere the strips to the face of my designs. For a more finished look, I considered adding Dollar Tree adhesive diamond wrap to the inside and outside perimeter of my design, but I opted to use these small mirror towels that I already had at home instead. I added these small mirrored towels to both designs, and when I was done, I had something that looked like this. I allowed both pieces to dry overnight. The following day, I used medium-sized Velcro command strips to hang my design. These turned out beautiful, and from a distance, the faux leather looks like real mirror. For project number 2, I've decided to make my own version of this very unique vase by Z Gallery. For this project, I'm using more of the tower game wood pieces. I used wood glue to make wood squares using 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 wood pieces. To fill in the space between each of my wood pieces, I'm using some of this plastic wood filler that I picked up from Home Depot. Once my wood filler was completely dry, I lightly sanded each of the pieces and removed the dust with a damp paper towel. I adhered all of my pieces together using liquid nail. I started with the smallest square first and then added the next size up until my first 8 pieces were stacked together. I only added the liquid nail to the parts of the squares that will make contact. For the top half of my vase, I'm starting with my largest piece and I'm working my way down. I wiped away the excess liquid nail and then I added more of the wood filler to close any visible gaps. Once my wood filler dried, I lightly sanded my piece, and when I was done, I had something that looked like this. I then added 2 coats of that same silver metallic spray paint. I originally planned to add some silver metal leaf to my design to give it a more metal look, but I decided to instead add more of those mirror tiles. Because I decided to cover up my wood pieces with the mirror tiles at the last minute, I did not need to use the wood filler. I think that this very unique mirrored vase turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.